Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a topic about must-read psychology books. 1. Introduction to Psychology by Clifford T. Morgan. Covers fundamental concepts and theories of psychology. 2. Child Development by Laura E. Burke. In-depth look at child development stages, from infancy through adolescence. 3. Handbook of Positive Psychology. Covers various aspects of positive psychology, including research and practical applications. 4. Positive Psychology by Cinder. Introduces the principles of positive psychology, emphasizing strengths and virtues. 5. Gratitude and the Good Life by Philip C. Watkins. Explores the science of gratitude and its positive effects on mental health. 6. Women and Gender. Provides an overview of gender studies, focusing on women's roles and experiences. 7. Silencing the Self Across Cultures by Dana C. Jack. Investigates how women in different cultures silence their voices and the psychological impact. 8. The Lonely Mirror. Delves into the psychological aspects of loneliness and self-reflection. 9. Widows in India. Examines the social, economic, and cultural challenges faced by widows in India. 10. Women Who Run with the Wolves by Clarissa Pinkola Estes. Explores the wild woman archetype through myths and stories, encouraging women to reconnect with their instinctual nature. 11. Organizational Behavior by Stephen P. Robbins and Seema Sanghi. Examines individual and group behavior within organizations. 12. Organization Development and Transformation by Wendell L. French. Discusses strategies for organizational change and development. 13. The Fifth Discipline by Peter Senge. Introduces the concept of a learning organization and outlines 5 key disciplines. 14. Human Development by K. Aswathappa. Comprehensive overview of human development stages and theories. 15. Implementing the 4 Levels by Donald L. Kirkpatrick and James D. Kirkpatrick. Practical Guide for Evaluating Training Programs. 16. Organizational Behavior by Fred Luthans. Comprehensive coverage of organizational behavior with an evidence-based approach. 17. Studying Sexualities by Niall Richardson, Clarissa Smith, and Angela Wernley. Introduces critical study of sexuality, exploring major theories and cultural practices. 18. Psychological Testing by Kevin R. Murphy and Charles O. David Schoffer. Overview of psychological testing theory, methods, and applications. 19. Applied Psychometry by Narendra Kumar Chadha. Focuses on psychometry theory and practice, including test construction and application. 20. The Divided Self by R.D. Laing. Explores the nature of mental illness through existential philosophy. 21. Cognitive Psychology by Robert J. Sternberg. Comprehensive Overview of Cognitive Psychology, covering perception, memory, and more. 22. The Kite Runner by Khalid Hosseini, novel about friendship, betrayal, and redemption set in Afghanistan. 23. Cognition by Margaret W. Matlin and Thomas A. Farmer examines human cognitive processes and their connection to everyday experiences. 24. Cognitive Psychology in and Out of the Laboratory by Kathleen M. Galotti balances theoretical concepts with practical applications in cognitive psychology. 25. Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. The book delves into the diverse ways people perceive and handle money, providing enduring insights into wealth, greed, and happiness. 26. Psychopathology in Women by Margarita Sames Herrero. The book explores mental health disorders through a gender lens, focusing on the distinct experiences of men and women due to biological, cultural, and social influences. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed our YouTube series.